We're at the Ukrainian culture. And there's Daisy. And there's a kitty. I was hoping, that this kitty would come and talk to Daisy. Because I know this kitty's not scared of Daisy. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. That's what I don't want. Oh, I was just going to say the kitty's not coming. Nice, handsome tuxedo. What a handsome kitty. Did you see that? He knows. And Daisy's just doing her thing over there. Daisy! Come back. Come back, Daisy. We got a kitty. Hi, kitty. Okay. There's bugs by the kitty. Oh, kitty, there's a bug going in your fur. Let me see if I can pet you. Oh, there we go. See, there's a bug right there. We can see if it's ugly by getting close up. Doesn't look that ugly. What a pretty kitty. So this is probably a Ukrainian cat, So mellow because it comes from Ukraine. It's like, yeah, I'm living in Strathcona. It's got its survival collar on. Yes, you do. I see that. Very small. Oops, did you see that? The kitty was going to swat me. Maybe Daisy! Come back, Daisy. Oh dear, I lost my little dog. Did you see a little dog? No. Daisy! Oh, there she is. Panic attack. Smelling the flowers. So, yeah. That cat's very powerful. Ukrainian cat. So, I should have brought some treats, my bad.